Hello everyone, I'm Katherine, and we're not in Art Skoolie anymore. I have rebranded, you've probably guessed by the title of this video. Due to some external factors, somebody else took the name, and I was feeling like it was a little bit limited. Now, I want to say first and foremost, the bus is not going anywhere. Arthur and I, we're an item. The bus will forever be a part of what I do, why I do it, how I do it, but we did some brainstorming, and Katherine Everything, which is the new surprise. Katherine Everything is the name, and it feels a little bit more inclusive of everything that I want to do in now and in the future. So I just want to say, thank you so much for everyone that's been part of the Art Skoolie journey. And I know now it's been a hot minute since I've put up a video here. If you may have seen, I've been putting up some shorts. I've been working, what I've been doing the last year, because let's be honest, y'all can see how long it's been since I've put up a video. I've actually been live streaming over on Twitch. I've been experimenting with short form media like TikTok, Instagram shorts, Instagram Reels, YouTube shorts, and really just trying to figure out what works for me as a creator. Doing live has been an incredible experience. And I love the community that I've built. I love that I don't have to edit anything. That was definitely a huge workflow thing here on YouTube. But a lot of the stories that I want to tell, a lot of the projects, I think work across all platforms. We like to say over on my Twitch channel that Twitch is like the sketchbook. It's live and it's messy, and sometimes we'll rip up a page and throw it out, and we'll flip excitedly to the next, and we gesture and we sketch and we plan. And, short form media like shorts and TikToks are great because when the thing's finished, I can show you how it went together in 20 seconds, and that's amazing. But I do long for the kind of the middle, the long form where I get to tell a story, where I can collect all of my thoughts in one setting. I can get, I can up my cinematography with it, I can up the B-roll and the storytelling, and I get to take kind of the best of the three of the worlds, that raw creative power of making something, it's going to be finished in one video, and then I can bring it. And I really feel that's kind of the future of this YouTube channel, is kind of merging the world. So I don't plan on stopping live streaming. I think that's something that's just really opened me up to just getting things done, being really honest and truthful about who I am and how my art creative process works and how all of my everything plays into what I do. And I wouldn't trade the community I've built over there for anything. Y'all are amazing. There's y'all are my everythings. We have a fan channel community name. That's beyond anything I could ever imagine. And so now, just kind of getting to put in a little bit more work here. I feel like everything, that you put work into is like a garden, and there's different seasons of it, and now it's time to kind of cultivate, clean out the garden beds a little bit here, and make some more kind of medium long format content for YouTube here. It's season. So I hope you'll join me. Again, we kind of say goodbye to Art Skoolie. It was a great place to start. The name I loved it. It was funny, it was witty. And I hope the people that have the name now are doing good things with it. I honestly, life's too short to be, upset about things like that, especially when I've grown from it. And so now I'm Katherine Everything, and that's my name, and no one can take that away from me. So going forward, I'm really excited to show you some of the things that I've been working on, some of the things that we have planned. We've got a lot of Ren Fair stuff coming up really soon. I've been on a, big pirate hyperfixation, and I can't wait to show you the stories that we're crafting with these characters. So I'll keep this nice and short. I just wanted to say thank you so much for being here. You truly are my everythings, and always, the bus's doors are always open, and you're welcome on board here anytime. I hope you'll stick around. If you like what we do here, please like and subscribe, but also I'll see you around the internet. Stay safe. See you later.